Hey, okay, welcome back to the Quadratic Analysis channel on YouTube, uh, and of course our main channel on YouTube, also the Caribou Data Science channel. There we go. All right, here we are back again, and this is going to be another brief, maybe 10-minute video demonstrating how to use Quadratic AI's AI-powered spreadsheet to analyze data. The data, as the title suggests, has to do with lives saved by vaccine. Okay? And the data itself comes from Our World in Data, our favorite Save the World data site. Let's upload our data. I'm uploading it as an Excel spreadsheet. Now, as you can see, the data is insert format, help insert table. Over here, use first rows as columns. Okay, good. As you can see, our data is fairly sporadic. Better data for the first part. Tetanus, yellow fever is a little sketchy. Whooping cough. Some of these diseases you rarely hear about. Okay, and streptococcus, whooping cough you rarely hear about, at least in the U.S. anymore. Okay, yellow fever you rarely hear about. Tuberculosis, again, there was a time when tuberculosis was fairly common in the U.S. before treatment was developed. I'll just, just to show a little bit of sort of what I call the black humor that we used to have back in this country during or dark humor we have back in this country regarding disease and death is that my dad's from West Virginia. He said that in a town called Yotemont, there was a sanitarium, a hospital that treats tuberculosis, and if someone coughed, they would say they had the Yotemont yodel. Again, that type of humor would be completely unacceptable today, right? let's do DSHBARD. Okay. Back over here, and again, I'll just mention scroll left and right using the shift and the arrow key and the roll button. We do have, of course, scroll bars now. So anyway, we don't really need the code. First of all, let's drop you can see we got the continents. There's no total, but we got the continents. Okay. Okay, good. Saved a little bit of space, right? Saved a little space. So let's oh. So can we delete this one here then? Let's delete let's move this over here then. There. And here's our continents. All right, okay. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see if we can get it to draw it over here for us. This is going to be like a 10-minute, very quick plot, hopefully, a very quick session here, just to give you a little bit of a taste for what you can do with Quadratic AI. Okay, so it's actually drawn over here. That's good. Okay. Tuberculosis. All right. So, let's zoom back in over here. So this is disease. So this is going to show us the diseases. So Africa consistently has the most, well, good news, the good and bad news, consistently shows the most lives saved by various diseases, but the biggest one being measles, okay, followed by tetanus, tuberculosis, and so forth, okay. Now we come over here to this one over here, and it's the reverse. It's the continents with the bars grouped by diseases, okay. You see, America has again, Africa up here, measles. The blue is what? Tetanus. Red is tuberculosis. Eastern Mediterranean, very little. Southeast Asia, again. I guess you could say the big winner is measles. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, good. So now we got the two plots. These are very nice. What's rotavirus? What is that? Rotavirus. Diarrhea among infants and young children globally is a double-stranded RNA virus from the reovirus family. Mainly affects gastrointestinal tract, severely dry, vomiting, fever. Vaccine is the most effective way. Oral vaccines like Rotatrax and Rototac. Hand hygiene, sanitation helps, but it aren't enough to control the virus. Okay, so this is quite nice. Let's ask this. So again, Africa continues. The good news and the bad news is it's hopefully it didn't replace some of those things, did it? No, good. Yeah, we lost it. We lost the. So it didn't actually tell me what it was. Okay. Okay. The visualization says that rotavirus vaccines have had varying impacts. Africa and so forth. Rotavirus is a highly contagious uh, virus that causes severe diarrhea illness, primarily affecting infants and young children. The vaccine has been particularly helpful in Africa and Southeast Asia. Compare other vaccines. Show African vaccine impact. Regional comparison. So we lost the two initial plots, but that's okay. These here are actually quite nice. There's one. But it got rid of one of the stacked ball plots, then that's a little crazy. Okay. So this will probably be it for this evening. Oh, that's it for this evening, folks. Sorry about that. I just ran out of time. I'm only allowed 15 minutes on